We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Bradford white 50-gallon water heater. First thing we did over on the cold water side is remove the old gate valve, and they had a couple fittings soldered on there, so we just unsoldered everything, put a new adapter on, then a brand new ball valve, so quarter turn on, quarter turn off, and then of course brass nipple, and then a Falcon stainless steel connector down to the tank. Over on the hot side, the adapter that's on the copper was already soldered on, so we just left that alone. And then of course another Falcon stainless steel connector down to the tank on the hot side. Relief valve comes with the unit, so that's installed, and then you got a drain line that goes over to the wall and then down the wall and out the side of the building. Gave you some new vent pipe. Unfortunately in the attic the dual wall B vent is crooked. I'm not sure why, but it's coming out of an angle. No big deal. We just adjustable 90 at the top, piece of pipe, adjustable 90 at the bottom, down to the draft diverter. So everything there is good. Upper third we've got an adjustable strap. Lower third we have an adjustable strap. And then down behind the water heater, got your new gas valve here. So, and then of course a brand new gas connector over to the control valve. So here you can see scalding risk increases with hotter water. Right now you're set at approximately 120. We do not recommend turning it up higher. If you're having issues with hot water, not wait time, but temperature wise, it could be per fixture, which means if the shower is not performing correctly, don't come out here and turn this up. Give us a call. We'll come out and take a look at the shower valves, tub valve, things like that. In-wall valves that have a temperature or it's pressure balance. So anyways, you up here A130, B140, C150, very hot, 160, B140, third degree burns, 3 seconds, you're going to the hospital. For infants and the elderly, 1 second. So just leave it there. And anyways, water heater's lit. Should have hot water in about 2 hours. Outside of that, this installation is done.